Inspection of the Okamoto OGM 820 Grindex OD grinder. To go a quick walk around first. There's a splash guard up front, work head here, wheel head, tailstock, any tailstock movement. This has a fan of control. And it does have 3 OD positioning here, XZ movement, hand lock, all the different controls for the Fanuc. Good clean oil in the lubrication system. Back of the machine. Machine appears to be very clean. We can open up the electrical panel afterward. Back of the headstock. On this side we have the coolant system. It does have a chain dredge. You can also use as paper. There is a transformer with this machine. The other side of the coolant system. And we're just going to run this thing manually first. This start the grinding wheel. Hold on. Go ahead. It's very quiet. And I'm going to start the work head. 250 RPM. RPM. 250. Going back down. Okay. Let's go ahead and do anything we also do. We'll move the heads around, we'll jog it back and forth. Let's set up a hand lock. So table moving back and forth, very quiet. And going to bring the head in and back out. Sounds quiet. Come on back in again. Okay, and then could you have the table move back and forth? There it goes. Okay, everything seems to be very quiet. Let's go to the hand motion, the hand wheel, the hand interlock. Okay, and just going to do this by, we're going to do it by hand, and as you can see here. Okay, the other way. On the head. When it's backing up, coming forward. And of course the head does have hand wheel overrides, and we can speed that up if we needed to. Is there anything else that we can show this yet?
No, just turned off the work.
Okay, let me just go serial number. I think it's on the front. Oh, here it is. Give you an idea. Serial number plate. If there's any other questions, feel free to call your salesperson. This concludes the inspection of the Okamoto OD grinder.